Welcome to today's session on supply chain models. A supply chain model is a structured framework that shows how materials, information, and finances move among different shareholders, suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, retailers and customers. These models help organizations design, manage, and optimize their supply chains for efficiency, resilience, and competitiveness. First, let's understand why understanding of supply chain models is important for supply chain professionals. Since different businesses face different challenges, some need speed, others efficiency, and many need flexibility. That's where supply chain models come in. These models provide strategic blueprints to match supply chain design with business goals. The first model we will discuss is the SCOR Model, Supply Chain Operations Reference. One of the most widely recognized frameworks is the SCOR Model, developed by the Supply Chain Council, now part of ASCM. It standardizes supply chain processes into 6 categories: plan, demand and supply planning; source, procurement of materials/services; make, production and manufacturing; deliver, distribution and logistics; return, reverse logistics and after-sales service; enable, support processes like IT, HR, and compliance. The SCOR model integrates metrics, best practices, and skills, making it a powerful tool for benchmarking and improving supply chains. Beyond SCOR, businesses apply different other supply chain models depending on their industry and goals. Let's go through some major supply chain models. These are the major supply chain models. 1. Continuous flow model. 2. Fast fit model. 3. Efficient chain model. 4. Agile supply chain model. 5. Custom configured model. 6. Flexible supply chain model. 7. Lean supply chain model. 8. Integrated supply chain model. 9. Vertical integration model. 10. Drop shipping model. 11. Circular supply chain model. 12. Global supply chain model. Now let's discuss these one by one. The first one is continuous flow model, which is designed for high demand, standardized products with predictable demand, like food, paper, or chemicals. It ensures steady, uninterrupted production and distribution. The next supply chain model is fast fit model, which emphasizes speed and flexibility. And it is best for industries like fashion and electronics, where trends change rapidly and customers expect fast delivery. Another supply chain model is efficient supply chain model, which is the most widely applied SC model, designed for cost efficiency and value maximization. It is best suited for low-cost, standardized products such as those in retail and mass manufacturing. The next major model is agile supply chain model, which is about responsiveness, quickly adapting to demand shifts or market changes. It's highly relevant in industries like technology and fashion. Custom configured model. This model is for tailor-made products, common in B2B sectors, heavy machinery, and specialized electronics. The supply chain is built around customer-specific needs. The next model is flexible supply chain model, which is a hybrid model that allows structural adjustments when demand or environment shifts. It's useful for businesses operating in unpredictable demand environment. Lean supply chain model in supply chain management is inspired by lean and just-in-time principles. Focused on waste reduction and efficiency, the lean model is common in automotive and electronics manufacturing. The next model is integrated supply chain model, which integrates all supply chain elements, suppliers, manufacturers, distributors into one cohesive system. It's typically adopted by large multinational corporations. Vertical integration model is another important model in supply chain management, where a company controls multiple stages of its supply chain. It reduces risks and enhances quality control, making it popular in industries with high safety or quality concerns. Drop shipping model is widely used in e-commerce for low-cost, low-risk operations in which retailers don't keep stock. Instead, a third party ships directly to the customer after receiving the order from the business it is working for. Circular supply chain model is getting very popular in the businesses due to its sustainability-driven approach. This model minimizes waste by promoting reuse, recycling, and repurposing. It's increasingly important as businesses move toward green practices. Last but not the least, is the global supply chain model, which spans across multiple countries, sourcing, manufacturing, and distributing worldwide. It supports multinational businesses serving diverse markets. To sum up this presentation, we come to the conclusion that there's no single perfect supply chain model, and the right model depends on the industry, customer needs, and business strategy. So, by understanding these models, supply chain professionals can design supply chains those are efficient, resilient, and future-ready. Thanks for listening and your time. Take care and goodbye till next presentation.